It's weekends.
Yeah.
Maybe I thought you have a like an appointment or something.
No, because I like staying at home.
You're taking time for me. I think of Hong Kong, the cost of living is pretty much expensive here.
So I just stay at home.
Ah,
The only thing we can do later is like find a bar. Yeah, but I know some good bar. Because I don't have a date.
I'm sorry.
Otherwise.
지금 새벽 2시쯤 되었는데 제가 어제 일어나자마자 항공편을 알아봤거든요. 직항은 터무니없이 비싸가지고 경유편을 알아봤는데 중간에 경유할 수 있는 곳이 홍콩, 방콕, 호치민 이렇게 있더라고요. 방콕하고 호치민은 가봤으니까 이번에 홍콩을 경유해서 갈 텐데 홍콩에 잠시 머물 수 있는 시간이 13시간 정도? 근데 비행기까지 고려해야 되니까 10시간 정도 있을 수 있을 것 같은데 원래는 계획을 어느 정도 세우고 가려고 했는데 그렇게 하면은 아무래도 빡빡할 것 같아서 이번에는 무계획으로 한번 가보려고 합니다. 나마스테. 땡큐 다녀봐. 바로 게이트로 가봅시다.
Want to see?
37 M.
You can sit in the forward.
Not there? Ah, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just place your baggage and basket.
20시간 무수면 상태로 있었더니 너무 피곤해가지고 도착하면 다시 카메라를 켜도록 하겠습니다. 인천공항이랑 분위기가 많이 비슷하네. 사람이 워낙 많다 보니까 입국 심사하는데 1시간 반? 2시간 걸린 것 같아. 그 심사 프로세스는 되게 빠른데 일단 돈부터 뽑자. 홍콩 물가가 비싸다고 해서 10만원 정도 뽑았는데 이 정도면 오늘 하루 충분하겠지? 여기 지금 맡기는 데가 있네. 어차피 다시 공항 돌아가야 되니까. 시간당 2,500원 10시라고 치면은 25,000원이니까 짐은 그냥 안 맡기는 걸로 하고 시작부터 25,000원 절약했죠. 시내로 바로 가볼게요. 여기 앞에 있는 사람들 따라가자. 사람들 보면 여기서 제일 많이 타는 것 같아. 위로 한번 가볼까? 보이가 안 나요. 여기서 다들 타는 것 같아서 따라 탔는데 다들 내리는 곳에 내려야겠다. 홍콩 하면 뭐가 있지? dimsum, 완탕면, 야경. 와, 사람들 진짜 많다. 여기 번화가인가 봐. 세븐일레븐 들어가서 음료나 하나 마실까? 콜라 한 잔에 2,000원이 넘네. 확실히 비싸긴 비싸구나. 대부분이 거의 2,000원 하는 것 같죠? 밀키스도 있고 이온 음료인 것 같은데? 또 왔으니까 이거 하나 먹어보자. Thank you. 아까 저기 세븐일레븐에 저쪽에는 돈키호테 거의 일본이네. 뭐야 약 진짜 작다. 그래도 맛은 있어. 인도에 있다가 여기 홍콩에 와서 그런지 비싼 물가 그 체감이 확 느껴지네요. 앞으로 2시간 뒤에 센트럴이 어디지? 다행히 선양은 없나 보네. 자, 자, 원래 계획 없이 사람 많은 곳에서 혼자 돌아다니려고 했는데 너무 무계획 여행에만 초점을 맞추다 보니까 여기에 누가 살고 있는지 잊어버리고 있었어요. 예전에 이집트 여행하면서 만난 친구인데 제가 여기 버스 타고 오면서 아까 메시지를 하나 보내놨거든요. 갑자기 제가 연락해가지고 그 친구도 많이 당황스러웠을 거예요. 지금 여기는 코즈웨이라는 곳인데 걸어가면 한 40분 정도 걸리네. 한번 걸어가 볼게요. 아, 여기 진짜 사람 많다. 뭔가 도쿄 같은 느낌? 이번 홍콩 여행은 무계획 여행이 컨셉인데 오히려 잘 됐어. 그런데 생각해보면 지금 만나러 가는 것도 예정된 건 아니니까 무계획 여행이라고 할 수 있죠. 센트럴역에 도착했고 여기서 좀만 기다렸다가 만나면 될 것 같아요. Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming.
Really close, actually.
Let's get some food. Did you have dinner?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
We can have some right now.
Okay, sure. I guess it's been a year
Yeah.
after Egypt, yeah? So, how's everything?
Fine.
Fine?
Keep working.
Working after traveling.
Yeah. Really hot.
Yeah, it is. I came from India, but this is okay, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, this is okay. You've been working on the environment, right?
Yeah.
Still?
No. I work in a diving center right now.
Oh, it's very different.
Yeah. Because I want to be a diving master.
You went to Dahab, and then you decided to become.
Yeah.
I've never done it before, and I've never been to Dahab yet.
Oh,
No,
that is great.
it's weekends.
Yeah.
Maybe I thought you have a like an appointment or something.
No, because I like staying at home.
Really? You're taking time for me. Thank you so much.
How about this one? You want to try this?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It looks fine.
Okay, baby.
Oh yes.
This is a super local restaurant.
Super local.
魚香茄子煲煲都要耐啲㗎，最快都20分鐘啊。Okay.
So you went to work even on weekends.
Yeah. And another jobs in the weekdays. And I didn't get a full-time job because I don't like it. During the summer holiday, I go to be the tutor, making the woodworks and drawings.
Arts. Do you like children? You have to say
They're
yes.
Cute. They're cute.
They're cute.
But sometimes they're not cute.
When they don't listen to you,
Yeah.
they're not cute. I think of Hong Kong, the cost of living is pretty much expensive here.
Yeah. And I saw a research before, like Hong Kong is the highest living cost place right now in the world.
Is it okay for you as a
No.
local?
No. So I just stay at home. And the entertainment you can get in Hong Kong, you have to spend money. But I think Korea and Hong Kong is quite similar.
Here more expensive, I think. Yeah, that's what I think. I also heard that real estates are, how do you like manage paying for the rent?
In Hong Kong, you only have two choices. You live alone, and then you lose everything because you have to earn a lot of money on paying the rent. I'm still living in my parents' house. I chose to live with them. I think I like stay in a place for longer rather than keep backpacking like few days in one country.
Yeah, that's very tiring if you just keep moving. That's why I also try to pursue the slow traveling. Stay at one place
At least
longer
a month.
and feel the atmosphere. Oh, this is chicken, eggplants. Enjoy your meal.
Oh. Okay.
Actually, I don't enjoy eating eggplants.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not really, but yeah, this is very so. Yeah, I like it.
Just for the whole thing.
Okay.
I don't like traveling in a big city. Tokyo, Seoul, something like this, I don't like. Because people are depressed. like in Hong Kong.
Ah, I see what you mean. So you like traveling like a countryside?
Like Jeju.
It's much better.
People are happier. It's not cold anymore. It's warm.
Yeah.
The only thing we can do later is like find a bar. Yeah, but I know some good bar.
Bar.
Mm.
Okay.
Do you like drink?
No, not really. I don't smoke, I don't drink. I cannot let you eat, drink alone, so
Oh,
thank you so much. I'm very confused calculating.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like Hong Kong dollar to Korean won.
So many zeros in the one. We
Yeah.
don't have much zeros.
I know. 와, 시원하다.
One of the famous big mall in Hong Kong, Central, so everything is really expensive. You can see all the big brands.
Do you come here for shopping?
No.
Not here?
I don't have money. to
Ah,
buy.
no.
Oh, I come for the movie because there's
Cinema?
cinema. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Let's get out.
Let's get out.
Oh, this one.
Ah,
But I never been there
why not?
because I don't have a date.
I'm sorry.
Otherwise, no, just kidding. I understand why the traveler like Hong Kong because it's convenience, everything is here. But if you live longer, you can't have.
Ah, I know what you mean. Living and traveling like totally different. You see the time there?
Yeah, I don't know.
You
Some
don't know?
financial is not attractive.
Yeah, because you live here, so everything's
Yeah.
kind of looks like normal.
Yeah, and you just came back from India.
You know, Hong Kong itself, you know, especially at night, it's really beautiful.
Oh, this is our
Destination to Chim Sa Tsui. 여기 그 센트럴이라는 곳에 있거든요. 여기서 페리 타고 침사추이로 넘어가 보려고 합니다. 와, 사람들 진짜 많다.
no space.
Yeah, no space, yeah.
This is the building always called and the concept.
For concert.
Yeah, I think they took the idea from the Sydney.
Boat looks really fancy. It's like a private boat, I think.
People hold the boat party in Hong Kong.
Oh,
Oh, we're here. We're here.
already? Wow. 와, 이렇게 멋지 야경도 보고 시원하고 너무 좋다.
There's not much opportunity to like travel around from Tsim Sha Tsui and Central for me.
You just take a bus from house to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of Koreans love coming to Hong Kong
It's really fascinating.
for once. If you have money, let's stay here for a month. And then you will miss India. Here can walk to the Star Street.
Is it near from here?
No, but you can walk to there eventually.
Eventually, okay. Have you tried before?
Yeah.
Oh, really? How was it?
For me, I just jump into the sea and swim in. Yeah, they got the slides on the boats, and then you can just slide into the.
아, 오케이. 해적선 컨셉의 페리도 있고. 아, 스타즈 애베뉴.
From here and put it to here.
Used to be
Yeah, on the ground,
but now it's here. Who is this?
This is actress.
아, actress singer. Okay.
Oh, you won't know this.
그나저나 진짜 홍콩 야경 미쳤다.
Oh, do you know this one?
Aaron Kwok. I'm not sure. I just spelled it.
He was really handsome.
Handsome.
He's still active nowadays.
Ah, okay.
Let me find it. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, he's handsome. Yeah. How does he look like now?
He's a cool
ah,
man.
yeah, still
Cool man.
manly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chongqing Mansion.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And this is the Indians area. There's so many Indians restaurants
Ah, really?
and few Africa.
They make a community. Okay. Chongqing Mansion. 뭔가 일본의 후쿠오카 같은 느낌이 있어. I think the shops are closed.
Oh,
It's closed.
it's almost 10.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, have you ever tried this one? Lemon tea.
Lemon tea, okay. Oh, they have Korean stuff here.
Yeah, Japanese.
Yeah, all the Japanese actually.
Hong Kong.
No, this one Japanese. Nissin. Causeway Bay. I went to 7-Eleven. Before I leave here, I will finish with 7-Eleven.
It's very close, just 2 minutes walk.
아, okay. 아, 버스 왔다. Thank you so much for today. You know, when I'm in Korea, it's always welcome to come to Korea, okay?
Yeah.
It's time to go. Okay. Alright, see you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. 슬슬 공항 갈 시간이 돼가지고 지금 막 버스를 탔습니다. 처음에는 작년에 이집트 아스완에서 만나가지고 그때 이후로 정말 오랜만에 만났는데 여기 살고 있는지 잊어버리고 있었는데 정말 연락하기 잘한 것 같아요. 오랜만에 이런저런 이야기를 하면서 짧은 시간에 홍콩 시내를 둘러봤는데 정말 좋은 시간이었고 홍콩에서 마무리 인사 드리려고 하는데 오늘 영상은 여기서 마치고 저는 그럼 다음 영상에서 뵙도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.